today at the United States Supreme Court. The court, in its infinite wisdom, assigned to Justice Brett Kavanaugh the task of writing the majority opinion in a sweeping new ruling that essentially reinstates sentences of life without parole for kids. There was no outright rule banning that sentence, banning life without parole for juvenile offenders before, but there was strong, settled Supreme Court precedent making that sentence only available in very, very narrow circumstances for people convicted of crimes that occurred while they were children. Justice Kavanaugh's opinion today blows up all that precedent, which is one thing on its own terms, right? Life in prison without the possibility of parole for something someone did while they were a child. Without the possibility of parole for life. You do something when you're a kid, you get locked up for it, and there is no chance, no matter what else happens in your life, in your entire adult life, for you to ever, ever see the unincarcerated light of day for what you did when you were a kid. I mean, that just on its substance, that is ethically, spiritually, something I'm not sure the country was looking to shovel onto our collective conscience right now. You may disagree. But to have it be Justice Kavanaugh who writes that opinion for the court, all this hand-wringing, right, especially from conservatives about the perceived authority of the court, the propriety of the court, the esteem in which the court is held, to have Justice Kavanaugh write this particular opinion on how there's no such thing as bad behavior by a kid, no such thing as bad behavior by a teenager that can be at least partly explained by that kid being a kid? Him? After his confirmation process that he turned into a theater of his own rage at being questioned about allegations made against him for his alleged behavior while he was a teenager. Here's Brett Kavanaugh, now a Supreme Court justice, insisting that it doesn't matter if you're a teenager, our society can and will now declare you irredeemable for the duration of your natural life based on things you are found to have done when you were a child. You're concerned about the perceived legitimacy of the court? Really? No other justice could have written that one? All three Trump-appointed Supreme Court justices, because there are three of them, voted with Justice Brett Kavanaugh on this. And it is Trump-appointed justices that made the difference here. The justice that Brett Kavanaugh replaced, Anthony Kennedy, had in fact led the court on pushing rehabilitation and mercy to the fore when it came to kids in trouble. That is done now with the Trump justices there, led by Justice I Like Beer. Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.